1,
Hi, Ted.
Oh, hi.
Are you still working in the bank?
Yeah.
2,
Where are you working now, Sonia?
I just started as a chef in an Italian restaurant. Come and try my food.
Sounds great. I'd love to.
3,
Are you still at school, Bob?
No, I graduated from college last month.
Congratulations. And what are you doing now?
Nothing much. I'm tired. I'm taking a long vacation.
4,
What do you do, Marie?
Me? I'm a lawyer.
How long have you been doing that?
For about 5 years. Do you need a good lawyer?
Well, not yet.
5,
Are you a receptionist, Suzanne?
Yes, I am.
Do you like the people you work with?
Well, it's my first week on the job, so I'm not sure yet.
6,
Are you still a tennis instructor, Martha?
No, I'm not. I didn't like it.
So what are you doing now?
Well, I'm trying to find a new job.
7,
Do you work in an office, Fred?
Not anymore. Now I'm an English teacher. I just had my first class.
Really? How was it?
It was terrific.
8,
Are you still working at the bookstore, Sue?
Yeah, but I don't like it. I have to stand all day and I get so tired.
I'm sorry to hear that.